constructing Christmas through the years. Have you ever wondered where our holiday decorating traditions began? Let's take a quick journey through the history of holiday decor. It all started with ancient civilizations, like the Egyptians and Romans, who decorated with natural elements to celebrate life and renewal during the winter months. Evergreens, flowers, and fruits symbolized hope in the darkest days. Fast forward to Europe, where evergreens, mistletoe, and holly became symbols of the Christmas season. In the Victorian era, elaborate ornaments and garlands made holiday decorating a true art form. Today, holiday decorating is a blend of tradition and innovation. From DIY projects to sustainable decorations, everyone can create a festive space that's uniquely theirs. At Thomas Custom Builders, we love helping you transform your home for the holidays. Whether it's updating your mantle or adding custom shelving, we can bring your holiday vision to life. Happy holidays from all of us at Thomas Custom Builders.